What you're looking at here is our latest product from Magnum Powers. This is a Supercharger kit for the K20, K24. This kit is being mounted into a 2002 Honda Civic Si at the moment. So it's a very small chassis. This kit is very compact, will fit into really tight places. The kit is based around a water pump delete, and so the coolant water from an electric water pump enters right here. A alternator from a K20 will mount right here. This white casting, or 3D print, is the mounts the pulleys and the tensioner. The exit for the Supercharger is right down here, and so the charge tube can be routed out either the passenger or the driver's side of the car. The intake is here. This is a 90mm throttle body right there. It uses, you can use a aftermarket intake manifold, so you're not compromised with airflow. Every cylinder can get the same amount of air, so the fuel air mixture will be equal across all the 4 cylinders. So our new case has a longer duration intake and exit ports. It can be spun very fast without being heating up like an Eaton will. So there's our kit. The machine shop has the aluminum castings. Right now, I expect to have the parts back from the machine shop by the end of July of this year, 25. So that's our kit. It'll be out soon. If you're interested in this product, you can give me a call. The number's on the website. Glad to talk to you. Take care. Charles out.